With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today's question is three successive terms of a GP will form the sides of a triangle if the common ratio R satisfies the inequality, and we are given these inequalities. Okay, so it is clearly mentioned that three successive terms of a GP. That means successive terms of GP will form the sides of the triangle only if R satisfies which of the following condition. Okay, so basically we have to find the interval for this R, that is common ratio. So let's get started. So we will say that let the terms or the sides be A, AR and AR square, which are forming GP, right? So we are going to take two cases. In case 1, we are going to take our common ratio greater than 1. Okay, so in triangle we know that the bigger side is less than the sum of the two smaller sides. So when R is greater than 1, in that case, which will be the bigger side? See, this is 1 and this is A into R square. This is A into R, this is A into R square. So 1 greater than 1 means more than one value here we will get, and then it's square. So obviously this will be greater than these two, right? So we will write here AR square is less than AR plus AR. Okay, sum of the smaller sides. So this is the bigger side which will come less than the sum of the other two small sides. Okay, so this can be written as, if I take a common from both the sides, it will get cancelled. So we will be having R square minus R minus 1 less than 0. Okay, so this, remember, this interval is when R is greater than 1. So the interval will be also greater than 1. Okay, so if we find its root, so R value will be coming equal to 1 plus minus root over 5 by 2. Okay, but we have mentioned clearly that R is greater than 1. That means all the negative value are getting cancelled automatically, right? So therefore the interval where R will belong is 1 comma 1 plus root 5 by 2. Okay, this is our first case. Now if we talk about case number 2, so in this case number 2, see, in case 1 we took R greater than 1. Now in case 2 we are taking R less than 1, right? So in that case, which will be the biggest term? See, out of the given, so biggest term will be the term which is not having R. Okay, so out of these three terms which we took, these three, so when R is less than 1, that means these two will get smaller at some point of R, but this is independent of R, so this will be always greater, right? So here for that case we will get A, biggest side, which should be smaller than the sum of the other two sides, so AR plus AR square. Okay, so similarly we will get here R square plus R minus 1 less than 0, so R will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 5 by 2, and we know that R is less than 1 but will not be negative, right? So automatically it will be cancelled, negative 1. So R is less than 1, in that interval is root 5 minus 1 by 2 and 1. Okay, now we will add both the intervals together to get the final interval. So the final interval will be from root 5 minus 1 to comma root 5 plus 1 by 2, where the common ratio R will belong. Okay, so let us take the options. So option number 2, which says root 5 minus 1 by 2, R is greater and less than root 5 plus 1 by 2. So option number 2 is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level, Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.